Perfect, 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 perfect.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve these loose crimp curls. It's very quick and all you need is one tool, so if you're interested, keep watching. So this is the wig I'll be using today. As you guys can see, the hair is very dry and it's in need of a makeover. So the first thing I'm going to do is straighten out the wig, and I'm not focusing on getting the hair bone straight because I'm going to curl it up anyway. So I'm just going to straighten it out a bit so the hair can be more manageable and the style will look neater. So to achieve these waves, I'm going to use my Babyliss crimp iron, and this is so easy to use, you guys. So all you're going to do is section your hair, and you're going to take your crimper and put it as close as possible to your roots and hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. Then you're going to slide down and hold it once again for 10 seconds, and you just keep doing the same thing till you reach the ends of the hair. So if you want more definition or you want this style to last a little longer, you're going to have to use some hairspray. I didn't use any hairspray, I just used some heat protectant because I wanted my waves to be more loose and not so defined. If you are trying this style on your own hair, be very cautious. Do not start so close to your roots because you don't want to burn your scalp, so be very careful. So this style is very repetitive. You're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm going to come back when I install the wig to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is what I ended up with. The waves are very loose, very bouncy. As I said before, if you like a more defined look, you can add hairspray. But I like how this looks. It's a little messy. It's not too perfect. Let me know in the comments if you prefer a messy look or a more uniform look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you know whenever I post a new video. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video.